Okay, guys, here we go. All right, I think everything's on and working. Looking good. Yep, I believe it's good as going to look. It's not going to be as hot today. That's a good start. All right, welcome everybody. Oh, there's always one thing that I forgot. Pull up this. All right, lads and lasses, we are ready to rock and roll. It is Thursday, and looks like everything's working. Got a few people here already. Perfect. Orange shirt. Thursday. Boop. All right. It's weird that I have to point that out, but I totally understand. You come in and you hit play or something starts weird and you get the recorded version. All right, let's rock and roll, kids. Good to see a bunch of y'all out at Chewy's yesterday. The guys who couldn't make it, well, we'll see about next time. People who are just, that's a little far away for some Mexican food, I totally understand. All right, let's reach it out. Oh, and pull it all the way back in. Get everything started up and stretched out. Push. And pull. Oh my gosh. Shoulders are hurting. Straight up. And fold it over. Easy. She got your arms, she got your shoulders, she got your brain. All right, back up again. All right, reaching side to side. We'll gradually get going a little quicker. Whew, what are we going to work on today? Bye. How about speed? Speed and tempo are different. Speed of punch, I mean zip. Tempo is bam, 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 or bam, 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 okay? Speed and tempo are different. Let's reach forward. Oh, I'm already hot. Not a good start. Back and forth. I just had an idea. Burp. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Swing out the legs. We do the same stuff. Sometimes it makes it a little easier on the brain every day. Other side. But then I like to change it up too. So makes it a little harder on the brain. But for right now, let's just do the same stuff. I hear a cat. Back and forth. Okay, wide stance. Nice and tall. Take it over the front and hang it out. Toes in, toes out, whatever feels like it gets a little bit more activity. All right, stand up tall, lean over to one side, like right elbow to right knee. Lean into this leg and let this arm wallow a little bit. Just loosen it up throughout its basic range. Back up, tall, over. Woo-wee. It's not going to be as hot today here in Knoxville. That's a good thing, a little bit of a blessing, especially with no ventilation or air conditioning here in the gym where we keep our cars straight over the front. And hang out your arms. Yes. Okay. All the way back up. Now what do we want to do? Let's do these reaches one more time with the bag as your target. A little bit more of a twist through the center. Oh, because that is where your punches come from. They don't come from your arms. You don't punch with your fist. You punch with your soul. You punch with your whole body. That's how these little fellers can knock the snot out of big dudes. They know how to punch. So it's not, you're not a marionette. We're not the rock'em sock'em robots. All right, what else we want to do? Scapulae. Let's come on down for a little bit of squat hold. Have a seat into a squat and roll it around down here a bit. All right, all the way up, nice and tall. Back down into the squat. Low, sit over, mash and smash on your ankles and into your hip joint. All right, while we're down here, go ahead and come into a front leaning rest. It's not push-up time just yet. What I want you to do is get up like you're going to do a push-up, but just with your shoulders, sink and press. Elbows stay perfectly straight. Sink, press. So like pull your shoulder blades together behind you and then push them apart. Pull them together, push them apart. One more. Pull them together, push them apart. All right. That's a scapular retraction. All right, come on back up. Good turn to the shoulder to top that off. Let's see what cat's yelling for me. You coming out? Oh, hey. All right. Turn of the shoulder, other shoulder. Open up the door so the cat can get out. Rolling shoulders around. All right. Let's get some work now. Squats. In about 6 or 8 squats. Cat squats. Hang on. Hi, geez, Laura. Good gosh. Down to a squat, back up. Squat, up. Cat squat. Squat. Cat squat. Oh, all the way up. Stretch through the front. Up. One more. Cat squat. Uh-huh. All right. Big step into your punching bag. Reach through with the other. Hold for a second. Twist. Reach. All the good. Switch. Right foot. Left hand. Or vice versa. Back. Left foot. Right hand. Right foot. Left hand. Awesome sauce. What's next? Push-ups. We do them. You got to know they're coming. Oh, Laura hates push-ups. Okay, here we go. Push-ups. Come on up. One. Keep going. I can't because she'll bite me in the face. Keep going. Keep going. I got to do a plank or I get bit by a cat. A few more push-ups. Ow. You're a weird cat. All right, come on back up. No push-ups for me today. Yeah, you need to go on. No place for a cat. All right. Sumo squats. Let's get sumo squat, pivot, and then we're going to be punching. Sumo squat, pivot. What's wrong with you, cat? And sumo squat. Back straight, pivot. Stand up tall. 90 degrees, 90 degree knee, 90 degree knee. Flat back. Sumo squat, one more each side. Pivot. Stand tall. Sumo. Whoop. And pivot. You think I have treats out here? All right. That's enough of that. Let's rock and roll. Get your gloves on. Here you go on. Go on. You're not going to like this part. All right. Check your bag. Make sure it's not going to fall out of the ceiling. Mine's pretty close. Probably should look at that. All right. Let's get going. I'll keep an eye on it. Grab some water. Last minute water. We're going to do singles, doubles, triples. Working on speed of punch. Not power, speed. Okay, here we go. Gloves on. Start with the basic. The basic of basics. Stance. You thought you knew, didn't you? Stance. Hands up. Your thumbs are connected to your shoulders, essentially, and they always want to come back. Let's just get jab going. Quick in and out. It's almost like you're trying not to touch the back. Tight, light touch. Just easy. Zip. Just barely sink in like a quarter of an inch on that bag. Okay? Same thing with a cross. And just a tap. This is kind of the one of the, I can hit you. Zip. Still get your body into it. Hard to hit light with this one. Just singles. Right back to your shoulder. Like I said, thumb is connected to your shoulder. Okay. Hook. So it's hard to do a light impact with the hook. Let's start with the front hook. Zip. Get it out there, bring it right back. Quick shot. Make sure you're hitting them right in the ribs. Think about where your ribs are. Put that on the bag. That's where it's going to hurt. And that's your target. One more. Good. Rear uppercut. Drop, drive. Hand hammer. Don't let your elbow, wrist, and knuckles get separated. Hand hammer. Drop, drive it right up into him. Rear uppercut. Drop. Step into him. Body weight's got to be here, or it's just silly. Look at him in the face. Look at him in the face. Right in the stomach. Speed. Don't tell them you're coming. If you're down here, they're like, well, an uppercut's coming. Up here, anything could be coming. And yep. Oh, I didn't see that. Here we go. Double it up. They'll know that's coming. All right, here we go. Left upper, front upper, front uppercut. Stay on. Fast, right back to your shoulder. Okay, rear hook. Big old hammer hook. Roll with it. Whole body. Keep going. Let me let the cat in. Cats. I know, my God. Keep going. Big old rear hammer hook. Drop it back. Roll your whole body through. Come on. Roll it. One more. You should feel this in like your front glute, your front butt muscle. That tells you you're doing it right. Let's get a few doubles. Jab cross. Jab cross. Exact same spot. Breathe. Don't grunt. One more. Two. Hook and uppercut. Front hook, rear upper. Hook up. Ribs, guts. Stay with them. Good front upper, okay, or rear upper, excuse me. Good rear upper. Okay. Whew. Let's go high-low now. High jab, low hook. So, bring their arms up. Bring your hands up. Get them in the ribs. Keep your eyes on them. I have a tendency to look away. So, high. Come on, stay on it. Rear or front. Jab, hook. Jab, hook. Jab, hook. Good. Holy guacamole. Although it's not hot, it's still humid. Okay. What's next? Let's do some triples. Triples. Jab cross, front uppercut. Jab cross. Right into him. Jab cross. Up. Step with them. You don't want to lean into that uppercut. I caught myself doing that. Jab cross. Stay square. One more. All right. Let's go rear hook, jab, hook. Hook, jab, hook. You can move that hook around if you want to. Here we go. Hook, jab, hook. Ooh. Hook, jab, hook. I did that wrong. Hook, jab, hook. Hook, jab, hook. Hook, jab, hook. Hook, jab, hook. Throw some pivots into it if you want to. Hook, jab, hook, jab, hook. One more. Hook, jab, hook. Woo! All right. We want to do anything else? Let's get to it. Let's get to it. What we got? 20 seconds each exercise and 3 exercises, 3 laps, 3-minute rounds. Get a little bit of water while we're waiting, while we're resting, and figure out how I'm going to do this. All right. So here we go. We're going to start out pretty simple. Body shots, first exercise for 20 seconds, just all in the body. Doesn't matter what punch, but it's in the body, not below the belt. We're not, no nut punches. Fast punches in the face. So zip, zip, quick punches in the face and lots of them for 20 seconds. And then Mayweather. Mayweather's one of my favorite. Light punches, and I'll say, give me one. Give them one. Big old punch. Just one smash. Give me 2, give me 3. Do 2 and 3 punches, okay? 20 seconds of that. Here we go. Body shots. Ready? 2, 1. Let's go. Body. Keep it low, but not that low. Uppercuts. Don't forget about your friendly uppercut. Jabs and crosses can be in the guts. Double up on one side, one hand. All right, fast in the face. You found out that they don't like get hit in the head like anybody does. Fast. You don't have to hit hard. Hit them fast. All right, Mayweather. Light punches. Keep them occupied. Light punches. Light punches. Get moving around. All right, give him 1. Light punches. Back to it. Give him 2. Light punches. Stay on them. Keep their hands up. Give him 3. Back to it. 1 punch. Okay. Back to body punches. Let's go. Keep moving. Get your feet in the game. Body punches, everything in the stomach. All right, fast in the face. Different games. Hooks can be in the face. Uppercuts if you got some reach. High punches, put them in the face. All right, Mayweather. Ooh, hands are getting heavy. Mayweather. Light punches. Give him two. Mayweather, back on him. Keep him busy. Give him one. Light punches. Give him two. Give him three. All right, body punches last time. Last minute. Come on, stay with it. Body punches. Upper. Don't forget your uppercut. Work that swing of the bag. Woo-wee. Double up. Face punches. Keep breathing. I've forgotten to breathe. Hammer hand. Oh, you got to be getting tired by now. All right, Mayweather. Light. Give me two. Light. Give me one. Little punch. Give me two. Stay on him a few more seconds. Give me one. And give me two. Done. Round. Holy smokes. Deep breath. Yeah, that's about to fall out of the ceiling. All right. Sorry. Little mechanical repair. I'm going to walk you through the next bunch while I fix this. I done ripped my punching bag out the ceiling. Oh, I got to stand on something. Okay. Your next punches are going to be... Sorry. Ooh, that was loud. Your next punches. Face, body. Face, body is your next round of punches. Get ready for that. We do that for 20 seconds. How did this happen? I don't know my own strength. All right, ready? Face, body. Ready, set, let's go. Face punch, body. Face, body. Get on it. I'm still here. Just a little mechanical problem. Face, body. One high, two low. And that'll do for now. One high, two low. Get on it. Face, body. Face, body. Jab, hook. Jab, hook. Jab, upper. All right, what's next? Punch, switch. Punch, switch feet. So left, right, switch. Right, left, switch feet. Switch. Whoo, my hands smell like butt. Keep going. All right. Pivot on the hook. I want you to jab, hook, pivot on the hook. Pull yourself around the bag. Jab, hook, alternate your hooks. Left hook, right hook. Keep going. Jab, hook, jab, hook. Swing yourself around the bag. Jab, hook, jab, hook. If you're going right, step right. If you're going left, step with your left. Jab, hook, jab, hook. Jab, hook, jab, hook. All right, face, body. 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 Double upper. Woo, that's fun. Face, body. Woo. Face, body. Okay. Jab, hook with a pivot. Jab, hook with a pivot. If you're going left, step with your left foot first. Jab, hook, 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 jab, hook. What's that last one? Punch, punch, switch. Here we go. Punch, punch, switch feet. Switch. Switch feet. Switch. Switch feet. Switch feet. Switch your stance. Switch. 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 All right, last round. Here we go. Face, body, body. Face, body, body. Face, body, body. Big face. Body, body. Give him a big old cross. Double up. We got face, body, body. Face, body, body. Ooh, switch feet even. Overhand, upper, upper. Oh, that's a brutal. Over, up. And over, up. Okay. Punch, punch, switch last time. Switch. 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 Front, back, switch. Let's go. Hook, hook, switch. Hook, hook, switch. Jab, cross, switch. Jab, cross, switch. Up, upper, switch. Upper, switch. One more. Switch. Okay. Light punches or hip pivot on the hook. Okay, pivot on the hook. Jab, hook. Cross, hook. No. Jab, hook. Jab, hook. Always a jab. Jab, hook. Broke bone rule. Jab, hook. Jab, hook. Jab, hook. Big pivot. Come on. Jab, hook. Jab, hook. One more. Jab, hook. Bring it back. Jab, hook. Oh. Round two. I don't think it's going to fall out of the ceiling anymore. But I think I'm going to have to remount that this weekend. That's no good. All right, little break. Little air. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right. One more round in 30 seconds. This one's going to be easier to keep up with at least. One punch for 15 seconds. Then 2 punches for 15. 3 punches for 15. 4 punches for 15. 1 minute. We're going to go 3 times around. Okay? Starting in 10 seconds. 1 punch for 15 seconds. Ready? Few deep breaths. Loosen up. All right, let's go. 1 punch. 1. Just 1 punch. Vary it up. Give him a hook every once in a while. Uppercut. Hook. Okay, 2 punches. Any 2 punches. Same side. Jab, front hook. Jab, hook. Hook, hook. Upper cross. Woo, pa. Double, double. Work high to low. High to low. Now low to high. Okay, triple. Jab, cross. Hook. Jab, cross. Upper. Upper, upper. Jab. Jab, jab, hook. Jab, jab, jab. Oh, jab, cross, upper. Jab, cross. Hate. Okay, 4 punches. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay on it. Vary up your pattern. All right, back to singles. Sucker punch. Okay. Just one good one. Hit early, hit hard. Here we go. 1, 1, 1, 2. High, low, high, low, 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 high. Jab, cross, hook, hook, triple punch. 1, 2, 3. Jab, cross, upper. Step into that upper anytime. Jab, cross. Upper. 4 punches. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last round. Singles. Last time. Let that be a listen to you. Overhand. All right, doubles. Just 2 punches. High to uppercut. High uppercut. That's a weird one. Triple punch. 1, 2, 3. Jab cross. 4 punches last time. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Hey, hold on, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, round. Oh, I'm sweating like a pig. Whew. Okay, you're doing great. Doing great, despite the technical problems. Okay, 1 minute rest. Get some water. The next one, possibly, well, no, we're going to have to make up a couple more rounds. We're going to build a combo. Okay. Building up a combo. So every 15 seconds, I'm going to add a new punch to it. So we're going to start with jab hook. Then we're going to do jab duck hook. Move, not a punch. Jab, duck, hook, cross. Jab, duck, hook, cross, slip. Jab, duck, hook, cross, slip, uppercut. Okay? Jab, hook. Jab, hook. That's all you're doing. Just get into that. So you don't have to think about it. Jab, hook. Front, back. Front, back. Jab, duck, hook. Jab, duck. That's awesome. That gives you some power out of your legs. Jab, duck. Jab, duck. Jab, duck. Jab, duck. Jab, duck, hook. Okay? Jab, duck, hook, cross. Jab, duck, hook, cross. Yeah, both the rear hand. Jab, duck, hook, cross. Duck, hook, cross. Jab, duck, hook, cross. Okay? Jab, duck, hook, cross, slip, non-dominant. So we're going jab, duck, hook, cross, slip. Okay? Jab, duck, hook, cross, slip. Jab, duck, hook, cross, slip. Let's throw a front uppercut into that slip. Okay? So we got jab, duck, hook, cross, slip. I like you're rearing back into that upper. Rearing. Jab, duck, hook, cross, slip, up. Jab, duck, hook, cross, slip, up. Jab, duck, hook, cross, slip, up. Stay on this 30 more seconds. Hook, cross, slip, up. Jab, duck, hook, cross, slip, up. One more time. Jab, duck, hook, cross, slip, up. A few more times. Jab, duck, hook, cross, slip, up. Jab, duck, hook, cross, slip, up. Done. All right. Short round. We're going to build another one. That means I'm going to have to keep up with it. I hate it when I have to use my brain. All right. Breathe. Water. We're going to do another build a combo over a 2-minute round. Might make this one a little bit more fun. All right. Going to start with jab cross. Ready? Get set. Let's go. Jab cross. 15 seconds. Put it in the same. Make that cross count. Back to your shoulders. None of this mess. Okay? Jab cross. Okay? Jab cross, slip rear. Slip to your dominant side. Jab cross, slip, hook. That's easy. Jab cross, slip, hook. Jab cross, slip, hook. Slip, hook. A little quicker. Slip, slip. Okay. Jab cross, slip, hook. Another jab. Jab cross, slip, hook, jab. Jab cross, slip, hook, jab. Jab cross, slip, hook, jab. Bag's getting away from me. jab, cross, slip, hook, jab, 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 cross, slip, hook, jab, front uppercut. Yes. Jab, cross, slip, hook, jab, upper. Jab, cross, slip, hook, jab, upper. Jab, cross, slip, hook, jab, upper. Jab, cross. A few more times. Come on, wear it in. Upper, one more time. Jab, cross, slip, hook, jab, upper. Oh, that was complicated. That was a lot for my wee little brain. Okay, take a break. Take break. One more. You know what? Yeah. Let's do another. Not another combo. I'm going to throw another 20-20-20 into this. All right. Face shots, body shots, and then face, body, body. Okay? Here we go. Face shots. 20 seconds. Go. Anything in the face. You have found out he has abs of steel. So all you can do is hit him in the face. Abs of steel, but a glass jaw. All right. Uppercut. Not uppercuts. Body shots. All the way around. This guy's got a brick for a hit. But wee little soft guts. Hit him in the body. Keep your guard up. All right. 2 in the face, 2 in the body. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 in the face, 2 in the face, 2 in the body. Double, triple hook. Hook. I don't know. All hooks. Let's try to do that. Hook, 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 hook. Jab, cross. Hook, hook. Okay, back in the face. Fast punches. Just face punches. Just face. Where your face is. Not down here. We're not beating up children. All right, body shots. Uppercuts. Even a overhand into the stomach, that would hurt. Okay, 2 in the face, 2 in the body. High, high, low, low. Make them the exact same punch. So 2 high hooks, 2 low hooks. Jab, cross face, jab, cross body. Woo, uppercuts, jab, up. That's awkward. Cross, jab, cross. Oh, I'm getting tired. Left in the face, right in the body. Okay. Face punches, last round. 1 more minute. Stay with me. 20 seconds of face punches. Got him on the ropes. Keep him going. Keep him going. Just keep punching. You don't have to punch that hard or even that much, but keep punching. Body. Just keep on them. Don't give up. Keep moving. Keep going. Uppers. All right, finish them off. 2 face, 2 body. Face, body, body. Doesn't have to be fancy. Just got to keep moving. Face, face, body, body. Face, face, body, body. 5 more seconds. Face, face, body, body. Face, face, body, body. Done. Holy smokes. Okay, my shirt doesn't show it because it's made out of like polyester or something, but I'm sweating like a dog. I didn't even know that dogs sweat that much. Where do we get that term? All right. One more thing. 20 jab, cross, hook, and uppers. Okay? Ready? So, face, body, body. Front, back, get a good uppercut. Make sure your hands rolling over and driving through into their guts. 20 jab, cross, hook, and uppers, gradually getting faster. You ready? Stay with me. Jab, cross, hook, 1, hook, 2, hook, 3, step in, hook, 4, hook, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, jab, cross, 10, keep them up high, 11, here we go, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, keep going, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's it. Not so bad. Not so bad. Good work. Okay, gloves off. Gloves off, get some water. Not so bad at all. Take your wraps off if you want, if they smell like butt. Oh, from pigs. Sweat like a pig, not like a dog. Sweat like a pig. You lie like a dog. Lie like a... I caught myself infusing my cliches. Lie like a dog, sweat like a pig, and boom, like a horse. All right, gloves off. A couple more things. We ain't done. Come on down for your push-ups again. Here we go. Push-ups. Come on up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay? Oh. Flutter kicks, 20 flutter kicks. Come on, flip it over. Pancake today. Flutter kicks. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 30. Wow. That was a kick in the pants. You can't tell me that was an easy workout. Well, you can, but you'd be lying. All right. Stretch on your own. High stretches, back stretches, front, quads, fingers, all the usual. I'm on a tight schedule today, so I got to leave you to your own devices for stretching. Gonna be a long day. And nice job. Nice work. We will be back here on Tuesday. Keep doing what you do. You guys are awesome. All right, I'm gonna leave it on if you got any comments, but keep at it. We'll see you on Tuesday. Whose stupid idea was this? All right. All right, guys. Good work. Be back here on Tuesday.